I'll get him jumping. Okay. Let's go, Andrew.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait. Hold on. Introduce yourself for me.
I'm Andrew Smith, and this is the wheelchair. I'll show you the lawnmower.